Hello, hello. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. And today I am up over on the Not Too Shabby Shop channel, but I also thought I would put this up on my channel as well because I just had so much fun with it and I wanted to share. You might be wondering, what on earth am I looking at? Well, this is how I have been storing all the ephemera that I get from Not Too Shabby. And while it's functional, I was thinking to myself, it just isn't doing it for me. I wanted to create a nicer way to keep it. Plus, I got to thinking, as crafters, we create and we create and we create and we give, give, give. We give everything away and then we don't have anything left for us. And I thought that we should be able to enjoy some of our creations too. So stick around and I will share with you what I came up with for storing my ephemera and also having something pretty and fun for myself for a change. Let's get started. All right, I am back to share with you. If you remember, before I just had a whole bunch of this in this box is how I was storing my ephemera. Now I just have this one because it's an extra and I haven't decided if I'm going to use it or give it away. And these were too big for my little mini pizza boxes that I created to hold all of my ephemera. What I did is I took the ephemera and then it's matching paper, and so that I decorated the top of it so I know this one was the birthday bears and had some butterflies. On the inside, I have all the ephemera, and then I wrote down like what it was so that I can match it up when I go to use it. But how fun is that? Normally, most normal people can probably just set these on their shelf. I have to keep them in a box, otherwise my cat will come along and knock them all off. You could also put a ribbon around it to kind of hold it a little bit more secure, but that's just how I did mine. I'll quickly show you each of them. And this was the strawberry one. And there I have it. It was so refreshing. The April 2022 box of the month. And there's my ephemera. There's the last month's with the bees. Again, it's just a fun way to store that ephemera. And then later in the month, I will show you some fun things you can do with the boxes after you use up all the ephemera so that you can either keep it or you can gift it. Oh, my tape came undone on that one. I was in a hurry. I did all of these in one evening, so they go together really, really quick and easy. I won't open them all, but you can see now I can find my ephemera. It's something pretty. I really like how they all turned out. And again, it's just something, we give so much of ourselves away in our creations when we craft. So it's just super fun, I think, to make something pretty for yourself to keep. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is after I get these all put away. We are going to make 2 of these for the July 2022 box of the month, because there's 2 packages of ephemera with that, and it's super duper easy and fun. And then, like I said, later in the month I'll be back on my channel showing you some different things, different ways to utilize these if you use all the ephemera or want to give them as a gift or want to make them as a gift and so on. All right, so I'll be right back and we will get started creating these. I already had everything all measured out and cut out, so I'm starting with a piece of cardstock that is 6 inches by 11 inches. I am scoring on the short side at 1 inch and 5 inch, and then on the long side at 1 inch, 5 inch, 6 inches, and 10 inches. I did forget to mention that this is not my original idea. I linked the tutorial that I use in the description box below, so if you need to hear those dimensions again or anything, go ahead and check that out. Here I'm just burnishing the score lines. This seriously is one of the easiest projects. It is just so easy and so fun. There I have everything scored, and now I'm just cutting the flaps. You just cut on the long side up to the next score line, and it just creates those little flaps. Very, very easy. I did admit, or I cut out the part of me adding the tape, and I sped this up a lot because I fight with the release paper on the score tape, but I find that that tape does hold pretty well, usually when you don't go super fast. And for this project, it seems to work out pretty well. So you just remove the release paper and just fold those tabs in, and your box just kind of creates itself. Again, a very, very easy project. So then I have that one done. Next up, it's just time to decorate it. I already had everything kind of chosen what I wanted to use. The top of the box is a 4x4, so you can add 1 layer or 2 layers or however you want, because remember, this is for you for a change. You're not going to give this away unless you really want to, I guess. So it's just really easy. I love that I did this. It makes me happy. It makes me want to use my ephemera more, and I can find it easier. And I hope to keep this up every month when I get my box of the month. So I will go ahead and put on some music for the rest of the video. Thanks so much for stopping by, and again, come back later in the month when I will be sharing other ideas on what to do with these mini pizza boxes. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on my next video.